Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do an unboxing, no, not an unboxing, a review of my new item that I just got from Fossil. So I went to the Vaughan Mills outlet, and that was the Fossil outlet, and of course I had to check it out just to see what they have. And I came across this item and I was really very excited to get it because I didn't think that I will find something like this. So let's get to the reveal. It's not an expensive item, it's not a bag, it is actually a Fossil card holder. So there you go, it is a I think it's a card holder of sorts, and the color, oh my god, look at the color is just so gorgeous, and it actually says it is in the wild rose color, and this is the kind of pink that I absolutely love, and I wish they had done up a Fossil bag in this kind of color. I would definitely buy it. And so this is some sort of an accordion wallet. Let me just open. It has one tab here, a button closure, and it is like that. So it is essentially a card holder. I don't think I can put coins in, it will just drop out, but I'm very happy to put cards inside. So there's 4 card slots, and actually there's this tiny slots over here, which I suppose you can keep things inside. I'm not too sure, I've not really tried. I'm just very excited to see the various pinks. As you can see, oh my god, look at the pink and the combination, it's just so pretty. And the best thing about this card holder is the fact that it was on 70% off. So it was, I think, let me see, it states here that it's 60 Canadian dollars, but I paid 20 bucks for it. Oh my god, I am so glad that I got this deal. And I was just telling my husband, please can I just get this, because it was 20 bucks, and he was like, oh, go and get it. And you know what, on hindsight, there were other shades. I think there was the turquoise and brown, and I should have just gotten all those, and then I'm sure it will make great gifts, right, someday for some of my friends. I don't know, but anyway, this is the, oh yeah, and it has this zippered at the back. So yeah, you can keep coins here, although it's pretty small, and I already have my Fossil coin pouch. So but this one, I'm definitely going to be using this for my, I suppose, you know, those extra cards that don't really fit in my Emily wallet, which I can just put it inside here. So yeah, I'm really very excited for this. So yep, there you go. That is just a short video to show you what I got at the Vaughan Mills Fossil outlet. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, as usual, you know the drill, just give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment or any questions if you have. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye.